Okay. One of the questions I'm asked quite a lot is, how did I prepare for the AWS exam? Now I'm a technical project manager and I have been for over 10 years now. And I also do architecture, AWS, GCP and Azure Stack. And I work with very, very talented engineers who book their exam alongside me as well. So we're all pretty confident that, hey, we've got this, we know what we're doing, and it's going to be just an easy pass. One by one, we all failed, and basically, you know, that preparation just was not there in terms of what we thought the exam was going to be like. So I actually used a cloud guru when I was starting to prepare, and I found that it gave you a really good insight in terms of the high level services, especially if you're not familiar with cloud solutions or AWS. I think it's a really good shout. It gives you a good basic understanding of it. Now for the exam, you really need to have a good in-depth knowledge in terms of how those services work together, you know. So you know, after failing at, I think the exam was about 150. I don't know if the prices have changed, but it was 150 when me and my colleagues took it. So you don't want to fail it too many times. What really worked for me was doing the exam dojos. So they give you really good architectural questions, you know, at, you know, various levels, and it incorporates, you know, many of the AWS services. Excuse me. It's not Rona, it's just my allergies kicking in. Okay, so yeah. So it gives you really, really deep questions around architecture. So I would say definitely do as many practice exams as possible. And once you have like a really core understanding of all the services, the AWS white papers, you know, they become far easier to read and understand. Now, also understanding what type of learner you are. I actually bought the AWS Solution Architect book from Amazon, and it definitely details a lot of questions, scenarios there as well. But I find that for me, I'm very hands-on. I'm a hands-on learner. So, you know, being able to play around with the console and provision EC2 instances and do all of that good stuff was a great learning curve for me anyway. And it helped me to nail the second time around when I did take that exam. And it wasn't the same exam, I have to tell you that now. So if you do fail and you have to take the exam again, don't think you're going to get the same set of questions. You're not. So prepare as much as you can. Practice, 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 and good luck.